simulating here the national grid coming into your house. The next thing you would have after the national grid would be your ATS unit, and then the output from the ATS would be via your household consumer unit, and then obviously your household power. Now coming into the ATS is the national grid power, and the generator power would be coming in when the generator's running. And thirdly is the communication cable coming out, which runs to the generator. In this case, I'm just using a DHY6000SE. Usage on the power, the light will go out for a moment. The generator will continue to run for probably 30 odd seconds, and then the generator will switch off, awaiting the next power failure. So, okay, here goes the demonstration. I shall switch off the mains, basically simulating a power cut. So the light's gone out. Generator will start. We'll switch over to generator, and the light's back on. Only a matter of seconds, really. I'll put the mains back on. ATS will see it, change back to mains, and probably in about 30 seconds time the generator will switch off. And that pretty much explains the system as to how it works. So as you can see, it went over to generator after the generator started. When the mains came back available, light went off just for a couple of seconds, back onto the mains. The generator switches off after cooling about 30 seconds later. And that pretty much explains an ATS or AMF unit, you know, automatic transfer switch, sometimes referred to as an automatic mains failure switch. But that's pretty much how it works. Okay, thanks very much.